and welcome to this new series, 8 different ways of writing the alphabet in modern calligraphy. Today we're on the letter J. My name is Patrizia, I'm a stationery designer and calligrapher based in Switzerland. I'm happy you're here. As always, if you like my letters, you can grab my free tracing worksheet. The link is in the description below. I hope you enjoy my real-time calligraphy writing, and I hope you are following along and we write together. I hope you enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Which J did you like best? Let me know. I hope you enjoy my series and you'll stick around because there are more letters to come. Also, if you like my series, please give a thumbs up.